Welcome to GigaBits, where we dive deep into the latest tech tools, apps, and gadgets to find out what's really worth your time and money. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and drop a like if you enjoy honest reviews with no fluff. Now, let's jump into today's showdown. Zoho Sprints versus Zoho Projects. Which one truly wins in 2026? Agile teams swear by it. Project managers debate it. Two tools from the same company, Zoho Sprints and Zoho Projects, both claim to be the ultimate solution for managing your work. But in 2026, which one actually delivers? Let's find out. I've spent over a week testing both platforms, Zoho Sprints and Zoho Projects, across real-world use cases. I built mock projects, invited teams, tracked bugs, and simulated entire sprints to see how each tool handles pressure. Now, Zoho Projects has been around for years, a traditional structured project management platform with Gantt charts, milestones, and detailed reports. Zoho Sprints, on the other hand, was built for agile teams, developers, startups, and fast-moving organizations that prioritize adaptability. So the real question is, does agile flexibility actually beat structured planning in 2026? Zoho Projects promises to give you total control over your workflow, from dependencies to task automation and time tracking. Zoho Sprints, meanwhile, focuses on collaboration and adaptability, promoting speed, transparency, and real-time updates. At first glance, both look powerful, but when you start working with them, you realize they cater to very different users. One is built for managers who need structure and oversight. The other for teams who thrive on rapid iteration. Origin and purpose. Both tools come from Zoho Corporation, one of the most established software ecosystems out there. But Zoho Sprints was launched specifically to compete with tools like Jira and ClickUp Agile, giving software teams a faster, more iterative experience. Interface and ease of use. Zoho Projects feels traditional. Think folders, milestones, and dependencies. It's ideal for construction, marketing, or corporate projects that need predictable timelines. Zoho Sprints, on the other hand, is visual and lightweight. You move cards across boards, monitor burn-down charts, and plan retrospectives, perfect for product development cycles. Collaboration and workflow. In Zoho Projects, communication happens mostly through comments and task updates. It's detailed but sometimes a bit slow. Zoho Sprints integrates directly with Slack-style discussions, team mentions, and sprint dashboards, which makes collaboration more fluid. Integrations and ecosystem. Both connect beautifully with other Zoho tools, CRM, Books, and Desk, but Sprints adds GitHub and Bitbucket integration for development workflows. That's a huge plus if your team writes code. Performance customization. Projects gives you complex reporting and automation tools, great for management visibility. Sprints focuses on simplicity. You won't get as many customization options, but you'll definitely move faster. So will Zoho Sprints win this comparison in 2026? If your team is agile, fast-paced, and focused on product development, absolutely yes. Zoho Sprints gives you everything you need for quick iteration and team transparency. But if you're managing long-term operations, client projects, or multi-department workflows, Zoho Projects still wins. It's more robust, more structured, and built for big-picture management. At the end of the day, both tools shine in their own lanes, and the winner depends entirely on your workflow. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to subscribe to GigaBits for more weekly deep dives into the best tools of 2026. Hit that like button to support the channel and drop a comment below. Which one are you using, Zoho Projects or Zoho Sprints? Thanks for watching GigaBits, where we decode the tech that powers your productivity.